The Bridging RARE Gala took place at Hylton Performing Arts Center in Virginia on November 2, celebrating India US collaboration in rare diseases advocacy. Speakers from India and the US shared insights on research, policy, and patient empowerment.
Sure, yeah. I'm Congressman Suhas Subramanyam. We're here in Manassas in my district. Virginia is home to a lot of research, innovative medical research. But right now we have concerns about people looking past that and not understanding the importance of having this research into rare diseases. And if we have this collaboration between the U.S. and India so that we can look into different cases, look into ways we can share and collaborate, and then continue to fund research into rare disease. I think all those things are critically important right now, and I'm going to continue to champion them in Congress with the help of all our friends here today.
Well, I'm excited to be here today too, just because it's such an intersection of things in my life, being of Indian origin, being the president of the American Medical Association. What I noticed in that room is a group of people that have different aspects of their influence on the health of our country, and everybody coming together, as I heard in so many comments, to solve the problem of rare diseases. And I think just on this video right now is an amazing intersection of lawmakers and doctors to work together to improve the health of our country. And we spend a lot of time as the American Medical Association in D.C. and looking forward to making one more appointment to chat in his office there about how to improve the health of our country. So thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you,
Thank you, Bobby, the American Medical Association President, and thank you to Suhas Subramanyam, the 10th District Congressman.
Hi, I'm Harsha Rajasimha. I'm the founder and executive chair of the Indo-US Organization for Rare Diseases. We are here for the third annual Indo-US Bridging Rare Summit and Abbey Meyers Khushi Bridging RARE Award ceremony and gala today here at the Hylton Performing Arts Center, George Mason University in Manassas, Virginia. We are a nonprofit organization founded on the mission to accelerate drug development and research for rare diseases and orphan drugs through cross-border collaborations. The numbers are staggering because 95% of the rare diseases do not have any approved treatment options, and where there are approved treatments, they are not affordable, accessible, and equitable across the country and let alone across the globe. 90% of these clinical trials are conducted in 5% of the countries in the global north with 10% of the world's population, and the rest of the world is not as engaged and included in clinical research. So our mission is to advance this through catalyzing cross-border collaborations. Throughout the year, we host numerous programs and events for education, policy advocacy, as well as technology innovation, internship programs for students, and engage industry, academic researchers, policymakers, and government in a cross-functional manner to bring the best brains together to accelerate drug development and research for rare diseases. And we can't do that all in 10% of the world's population. So how do we engage the largest diaspora in the world, the Indian diaspora, and the rest of the world in this drug development process? So with me here today, we are going to honor 4 key leaders who have contributed immensely throughout their lifetime of accomplishments and achievements, helping several patients and families affected by rare diseases. And among them, I have with me Dr. Pramod Mistry, who we will be recognizing as the Abbey Meyers Khushi Bridging RARE Award honoree today. He's here from Yale School of Medicine. He's a professor and a physician. We look forward to hearing his perspective and experiences and what we can learn and the next generation can get inspired.
Thank you so much. And I want to commend you, Harsha, for the visionary work that you're doing. And I absolutely applaud what you said, is that India offers populations and an infrastructure to really accelerate drug discovery in rare disease that will have a global impact. And so what you are trying to do is to bridge the historical standards for rare disease drug development and harnessing the opportunities in India. And I think that we are going to see a whole new era in very rapid acceleration of novel therapeutics for rare disease. As you mentioned, it is a big honor for me, and I'm very humbled to be an honorary today. And really, it is an honor for families and children that are affected with life-threatening rare diseases. And the champions in India, many of the colleagues who are being featured at this Indo-US Rare meeting today, have given their time very generously, and it is on behalf of all of them that I accept this award. My association with India charitable programs began nearly a quarter of a century ago, and I've worked very closely with Project Hope that I mentioned earlier, a charity that's based here in Virginia, but also the India Cerezyme Access Program built by Sanofi over the last 25 years. And over the last 25 years, we've treated something like 500 children with all kinds of rare lysosomal diseases, and it has allowed us to establish a healthcare system using this charitable drug and a program. And now we have centers of excellence throughout India so that families affected can go to a center near where they live rather than traveling hundreds of miles to go to one or two centers that there used to be. And so we've got a foundational model. And the great thing about this is that now Government of India has recognized the need, and there is a very high-level commitment from the Ministry of Health in India, as well as the Indian Council for Medical Research, ICMR. And one of the honorees today is a senior leader in ICMR, Dr. Madhulika Kabra. So I think what you are doing, Harsha, and all of your colleagues, I think you are visionary, you are looking ahead, and you are really going to make lasting contribution to therapeutic development in rare diseases, which is urgently needed.
Hi, I'm Dr. Matthew Thomas. I am a member of the Board of Directors of the Indo-US Rare. And as you know, we are hosting the Indo-US Rare Summit, which is a wonderful organization that brings the entire rare disease community together. It has been a privilege for me to work in this organization. We work with policy experts, researchers, scientists, students, patients, patient advocacy groups, and all of us together are trying to address the needs and the causes of the rare disease community. I encourage everyone to participate in every way possible. Thank you.
My name is Frank Sasanowski, and I'm a founding board member of Indo-US Rare. I'm also the person who helped develop the orphan drug program here in the United States, and I'm so proud to be part of Indo-US Rare. We're here tonight. We were gathering together people from 13 countries, world leaders in the research and patients who are passionate about rare diseases, and this community is a vibrant community that is reaching across the globe, and it's wonderful that it started in the Indo-US Rare community. Hi, this is Frank Sasanowski again with Raj Goody, who tonight at Indo-US Rare's Gala was the recipient of the Abbey Meyers Khushi Award. Here's Raj.
Thank you, Frank. You're a legend. To stand with you on a leap year and have the 29th of February run about a decade ago and to continue the journey, it's fun and it's a learning experience. And thank you for what you do like only you can. And thank you for the award. I graciously accept.